Back to another video of how to use basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to report a bug or issue in Unstoppable Crypto Wallet. Launch the application on a device and log in using your credential. After that, go to the settings icon which is at the bottom right corner of the screen. Here, look for the option labeled Contact Us. You can contact via email or Telegram. Fill out any required information in the bug report form. Be as detailed as possible about the issue you are experiencing, including information such as a clear description of a problem, steps to reproduce the issue, your device type and operating system, any error message received, and a screenshot if applicable. After providing all necessary information, tap on Send button to report your bug. And keep an eye on your email or application notification for a response from support team regarding your report. They may follow up for additional detail or provide updates on the issue. If you don't receive a response within a responsible time, consider following up through the same support channel to ensure your report was received. By following these steps, you can successfully report a bug or issue in Unstoppable Crypto Wallet. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.